thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour.
There's something.
Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, northwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, southwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina until 7 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Pointed State Park, or 17 miles southwest of South Sumter, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, Manning, South Sumter, Somerton, Alcoa, Pointed State Park, Pinewood, Paxville, Rimini, Fort Moss, Stemful Landing, Brogdon, Lakewood, Privateer, East Sumter, Crescent, Lone Star, and Low Falls Landing. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 110 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.